We'll try to see the how we get it back into the car. So it's a small car, had a seat forward because if with the seat back, it cannot fit the bike. So normally I just disengage this. And across. I'll just lay this one down, but I keep the handrail at the same place because it's hard to adjust this every time. So I'll just lay it one down, put it in, bend it over. That. It lifts this one up a bit, and then just fold it forward. So you need two hands for this because basically it's a bit too much for one hand. So like that, and then the bike will fold forward, stand when it's folded shape. It's pretty hard to fold in one hand, and it's pretty heavy. There you go. This is the bike when it's folded shape. Is it easy to carry with one hand? I would say no. It's very heavy for one hand. And then if you grab this, you grab it up, the front part will just swing forward again. So it's really hard. So you have to normally grab both hands, one grabbing at the back and one grabbing at the front. Definitely cannot carry it like into the train or anything like that. It's hard. Like you need a lot of effort to do this. It's quite heavy, 25.5 kilograms. By when it's fit into the back of the Nissan Micra, so it doesn't need many space, but it definitely is heavy to lift it up.